What's the meaning of correspondent? Correspondent. Correspondent.
Correspondent. Correspondent. The word correspondent refers to a person who reports news or provides commentary for a particular media outlet, such as a newspaper, magazine, or TV channel, from a specific location or field of expertise. Correspondents typically gather information and communicate it to their audience through various forms of media. They are tasked with providing accurate and timely coverage of events and issues, often under challenging circumstances. In summary, a correspondent is an individual who is responsible for reporting news and providing analysis on behalf of a particular media outlet.